Night Train by Robert Burleigh and Wendell Minor. Night Train, Night Train. Night Train, Night Train. For train lovers everywhere and for children of all ages who discover the magic of the rails. That's our dedication. Train ride, bump, bump, chug, chug, slow, faster, faster, off we go. Long train snaking through the night, dim gray, nowhere light. Night train, hold on tight, train. Peak, black, nose to glass, watch the colors as we pass. Clang, clang, ding, ding, town ahead, gate down, blink, blink. Hello, red. Night train, go left, go right, train. A barn, a house against the sky, big blue window, like an eye. White star twinkling far away, make a wish, can't stop, can't stay. Night train, wish I might train. Mountain, tunnel, darker dark, wheels on iron, orange spark. Highway, billboard, neon sign, purple arrow, shimmer, shine. There's the purple arrow. Just in case you couldn't see it, it's really small. The spark is orange. Night train, what's next in sight, train? Bridge, click, clack, river flow, green light, water, way below. See the green light in the water? Round, yellow, Mr. Moon, watching, whispering, be there soon. Night train, beam of light, train. Eyelids flutter, nod, lean back, rattle, rumble down the track. Dream, colors, shadows, light, riding onward through the night. Night train, into morning bright, train. A note from the illustrator. The Dreyfuss-Hudson locomotive was the last of a generation of steam engines. It was known for its beauty and modern design. I wonder what it might have been like to ride on such a train in the 1930s and 1940s. I think it must have been every child's dream to do exactly that. Night train, wish I might train.